Today we're looking at a 2015 Honda Civic SE. It's a certified unit. It's got 34,000 miles on it. Modern steel metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a Carfax one owner. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape here. Alright, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything is fantastic on the exterior of this vehicle. It is also equipped with the blind spot monitoring camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. Alright, but it's a 2015 certified Honda Civic SE. 34,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in great shape. Right. Center console does have your USB port there. Okay. Let's see. Oh, 1 second. Let me take this key out. There we go. Passenger seat cloth is also in good shape. Right. It is an automatic. It's got your HDMI, USB, and power outlet right there. Okay. It does have the two keyless entry key fobs. Alright, there's your climate control area here. Then your touchscreen display will be right here with the backup camera, and we'll show you all that in just a second. It's got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Got your blind spot monitoring button here, your econ button here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 34,500 miles on it. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Show you that here. Okay, back to the home screen, and then your blind spot monitoring button. All right, and what that does, let me try to dim that down just a little bit. There we go. What that does is shows you your blind spot. That's a display of your blind spot. You can either activate it by pushing the button or with the turn signal, making a lane change. Okay, it does have the digital speedometer here. And I'll go ahead and pan out a little bit. You can see how much these Civics are lit up, the dash and everything. Really cool. Okay, and once again, this is your touch screen. You can cycle through the different apps, audio. Okay, back to the home screen, phone, got the Bluetooth hookup. Okay, all right, then here's your climate control. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, back seat cloth's in good shape. Door panels look good. No problems back here at all. Everything's been well maintained. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Carpet back here looks good. Let's get your spare tire down there. Plenty of room back here in this Civic. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 15-inch alloys. The nice black trim through here. All right, 15-inch alloys, brand new set of tires. You can still see the writing on them there. All right, once again, so 2015 certified Honda Civic SE, 34,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, so things in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.